Applications are invited to apply for Kazakhstan Government Scholarship 2025 in Kazakhstan. All international applicants from all over the world can apply for this scholarship. Students, those who want to pursue their bachelor's, master's, or PhD degrees with scholarship are encouraged to apply. Interested candidate must have to apply so that they can avail of any one of the 550 scholarship in their required fields. Kazakhstan scholarship will award you with the best scholarship at low CGPA. It will give you a chance to move to another country and you can avail the opportunity to study there. As most of the candidates cannot get a fully funded scholarship based on their low CGPA, this is a better opportunity to go with. One of the richest and biggest nation in Kazakhstan, many students move to other countries to pursue higher education. The primary justification for selecting Kazakhstan as a study abroad location is Kazakhstan's educational system is well established. Let's talk about the financial benefits of Kazakhstan government scholarship. Kazakhstan government scholarship 2025 will benefit you with these areas. Monthly allowances, the tuition fee will be granted to the candidates. Airfare tickets, housing, visa, and medical expenses will not be covered. There are 550 scholarship programs in which 36 universities are going to enroll candidates in their respective fields. For bachelor degree program, there are 490 scholarships available. For master degree, 50 scholarships, and for PhD degree, 10 scholarships. There are more than 36 universities are participating in this scholarship. The list of these universities is given in the description. Please visit the description to select your favorite and leading university. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Who is eligible? The Kazakhstan Government Scholarship 2025 will base on these the Kazakhstan Government Scholarship 2025 will be based on this eligibility criteria. 1. All international candidates are eligible to apply. 2. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the scholarship. 3. You must have cleared your English proficiency test. 4. You must have to pass TOEFL with a high score for the PhD program. Documents required for Kazakhstan Government Scholarship 2025: letters of recommendation, a copy of the passport, medical certificate, two reference letters, motivation letter, personal statement, TOEFL result, and transcript. Application deadline. The last date to apply for the Kazakhstan Government Scholarship 2025 for international students is 31st June 2025. Only applicants from abroad are qualified for the Kazakhstan scholarship. How to apply for Kazakhstan Government Scholarship? The application process is fully online and pretty simple. You can apply online for the Kazakhstan Government Scholarship 2025 by checking the official website. For the official website, please check the description. Create your account on the website, fill the application form, attach the required documents, and finally submit your application.